Something is wrong with this cricket. It has been walking for hours, in the dark, through the wet grass, straight toward the water. It doesn't stop to eat. It doesn't stop to rest. It moves with a kind of determination that doesn't belong to it, a purpose that was never its own. And what comes out of its body will make you question everything you know about control. This is a Nematomorpha, a hairworm, one of nature's most disturbing secrets. There are over 350 known species. They live on every continent on Earth, in rivers, in streams, in puddles, anywhere there is water. And they had been doing this for over 230 million years. Long before the first dinosaur walked this planet, this parasite was already hijacking minds. But to understand what it does, you need to understand how it begins. It starts invisible, a microscopic larva, smaller than a grain of sand, floating in the water, waiting. It can wait for weeks, months. It is in no hurry, because it knows something will come to drink. And when a cricket bends down to take a sip, the larva goes in, silent, undetected. The cricket feels nothing. It has no idea what just entered its body. At first, nothing seems wrong. The cricket eats, it moves, it jumps, it lives its life exactly as before. But inside its abdomen, something is growing. Slowly, quietly, relentlessly. The hairworm feeds on the cricket's internal organs, fat reserves, muscle tissue. It consumes everything it needs while keeping its host alive. Because a dead host is useless, the cricket must keep moving, keep breathing, keep existing until the worm is ready. And it doesn't just target crickets, grasshoppers, beetles, cockroaches. Any insect that comes near water is a potential host. The Nematomorpha does not discriminate. It only needs one thing, a living body to grow inside. For weeks, nothing seems wrong. The cricket continues its life, unaware. But inside, the worm has grown to fill almost the entire abdomen. And now, it is ready for the most extraordinary step. It reaches into the cricket's brain. What scientists discovered next took years to believe. The hairworm releases proteins directly into the cricket's nervous system, not random chemicals, precisely engineered proteins that mimic the cricket's own neurotransmitters, its own brain signals. The parasite speaks the language of its host's mind and uses that language to rewrite it. Over 1,000 genes in the cricket's brain are altered. 1,000. The insect that once had its own instincts, its own fears, its own will to survive, no longer exists. Something else is in control now. Something that has been planning this moment for months. The cricket stands completely still. Its eyes are open, but vacant, unfocused. It is no longer processing the world around it the way it used to. It is waiting, but it doesn't know it's waiting. It has no thoughts left that belong to it. And then, something shifts. The cricket turns, and it walks. It walks in one direction, with a mechanical, unstoppable determination. Through the grass, through the undergrowth, across the mud. It does not stop for predators. It does not stop for obstacles. It does not stop, period. Because the worm has given it one final instruction. Find the water. Get to the water. Nothing else matters. Scientists studying this behavior found something that still haunts them. The hairworm manipulates the cricket's photosensitivity, its response to light. Water reflects moonlight, and the cricket, rewired at its deepest neurological level, is now irresistibly drawn to that reflection. It sees the light on the surface, and it cannot look away. It reaches the edge, and it jumps. The cricket hits the water. It struggles. For a moment, its instincts try to fight back, but it is already too late. The worm feels the water, and it begins to move. What happens next is unlike anything else in nature. The hairworm pushes itself out through the body of its host, slowly, relentlessly. It can measure up to 4 times the length of the cricket itself. 30 centimeters of living wire, emerging from an insect the size of your thumbnail. The cricket dies, and the worm swims free. It doesn't just target crickets, grasshoppers, beetles, cockroaches. Any insect that drinks near water is a potential host. And in some rivers in Japan, scientists discovered that hairworms emerging from their hosts make up over 60% of the food consumed by trout. One parasite, rewriting the food chain of an entire ecosystem. But here is what keeps researchers awake at night. The Nematomorpha is not alone. There is another parasite called Toxoplasma gondii that infects rats and makes them attracted to the smell of cat urine, driving them directly toward their predator. It has been doing this for millions of years. Toxoplasma gondii currently infects 1/3 of all humans on Earth. Scientists do not yet know what it makes us do. Next time you see an insect walk toward water, you might wonder, is it choosing to? Or is something else making the choice for it?